Okay, y'all, so I'm going to give you a picture of my studio area. The struggle is real. It's almost Thanksgiving and I still have not organized this because we've been working on getting the attic floored. So thus you see mess everywhere. Here is the corner where we had to add the attic doorway, which is a 4-foot door. This was the only place we could put access to the attic. You have to get around trusses and everything else, but we put flooring down, so now we've got to move all the stuff from the garage up here. It's quite a huge task ahead of us. My knees are kind of shot after 18 years of climbing ladders up and down, doing faux finishes and things. So it's very difficult for my knees. But anyway, I want you to see the struggle is real. This is the bonus room above the garage. So I have maybe a 15 by 20 feet tops room. So smaller than the gallery, the studio space I had at my place in Sanford, which I no longer have anymore. But so, and we also have extra furniture that could go nowhere but up here. So that's where I'm going to store my paints and things like that. There's no sink up here, thus I'll have a bucket where I'll have my water. But as you can see, bags and bags of supplies and Tupperware containers of supplies. The board that I use for my tabletop. There's the table is actually behind that, folded up somewhere. There it is, the black table. My big garbage can. That's my grandfather's drafting table where I will sit and do actual artwork. More boxes of supplies. My office chair, my easels, a desk, all my tax receipts and things like that, my shipping boxes and supplies, filing cabinet, printer, another piece of furniture that had nowhere else to go in this house, canvases, Floetrol, OVERHAUL, paints, my box of goodies that I use for pours, and so here is this disaster area, and I've been putting it off, but today I'm going to tackle it. So wish me luck. I'll show you a video at the end of the completed process. See, this is and this is also my YouTube setup where I connect my camera at the top. That may or may not change because I may change the angle of my filming. I'm not sure about that, so that remains to be seen. I also have the interlocking flooring that is actually fabulous. And as you see, too, I'm on carpet. So I'm going to have to put plastic down, and then I'm going to put this rubberized interlocking flooring on top of it so that I don't have to remove the carpet from the room and so that I don't get paint on the carpet. So I've got a lot to do here. Let me get busy. I'll check back with you in a little bit. Bye-bye. All right, so here is my art studio area over the garage. We finally just got it finished. It's carpeted. So what I did was I put drop cloths down underneath plastic, and I got a bunch of these exercise mats that are on my Amazon recommendations list. They're cushiony and they lock together like puzzle pieces. And I had some in my other studio. I ordered new ones, so there's a bunch of them. They are great for going on top of plastic and keeping paint from spilling through onto carpet and things. So I have that on the carpet in here because I didn't want to pull the carpet up. It's practically brand new. So there's furniture filled with supplies. My grandfather's old drafting table that is probably at least 60 years old, and I've had it for quite a long time myself. He passed away when I was 10 or 12 years old, and he was a huge influence in my art life. He was a fabulous oil painter. And supplies, paints, all kinds of stuff here. My messy table, my camera equipment up there, lights. I don't even have all my lights hooked up yet. Squeeze bottles. I love my squeeze bottles. They're in my Amazon recommendations link. They're the ones with the screw-on lids that I just absolutely love. More supplies and a box of tools that I use with all my pours. I'm going to have an auction Wednesday evening, and so these are the paintings that are being auctioned off. If you want to join, it's Wednesday night, December 4th. And this is going to be a freebie that I give away at the very end of the auction to one of the lucky auction winners. They're going to get this free print that's a 16 by 20. That's my 2020 art calendar that I'm placing a final order for this week. If you'd like to order it, check out my link on my website. You can find it above if you click on the information button. I've got angel cards if you're interested, or the autumn tree cards. They're a print with a card and they come with envelopes. I'm selling those. And if you're interested in purchasing cards from me, email me, sandralettart@yahoo.com. That's the email I use for my auctions and information about, if you want to purchase something. And my regular email address is also at sandralett.com. More supplies, tubes of paint, and that's stuff I use at art shows and all that I've got to stick in the attic, and got to wire some paintings for a show. And there's all my receipts, good old tax stuff, and wonderful gifts that everybody's given me from people there. And this whole corner has canvases inside that piece of furniture and everywhere, and so it's just crazy. Oh, and so yeah, we added in this bonus room, we didn't have access to our attic, and I needed attic space to put my extra house stuff so I could put my paintings in the garage. So we built this, cut a hole out of the wall and added a door. And there's no lighting in here yet, but we added flooring, and so it goes on into the rest of the house. We floored the attic, and that will be where all our extra house junk goes, and then I can put my art stuff in the garage as well. So it's been quite a project. It's been going on for a month or so. So I'm finally set up to where I can do my pours at the table again. And so just thought I'd share this with you. So I will see you next time. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.